Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Fragoso, one of our traders. Fragoso joined our funded trader program last October on the 7th, and he hit his first 10% target on the 1st of December. So yeah, very well done. And congratulations on hitting your first target. From the equity line, we can see how the path he went through was kind of like smooth. And in the beginning, he had a really good start. He was up by almost 5% just 1 week after he joined our program. Then something happened and he went back to the initial balance. And then from the end of October up until the 1st of December, it was just one way up towards his 10%. Okay, let's have a look at the statistics. We can see an average daily return of 0.18%, very good. A monthly return of 5.35% with a drawdown level floating of 5.66%. Okay, let's have a look at the advanced statistics now. We can see how Fragoso took 188 trades. He opened 188 positions with a profitability rate of 65%. An average win of 14.6 pips and an average loss of 19.45 pips. So we can see how his average loss is bigger than the average win, although since he has a positive profitability rate, he still managed to be profitable and hit his target. Let's have a look at his best trade and his worst trade. So in terms of dollars, we can see his best trade was on the 14th of October. He gained $497, and just the next day, on the 15th of October, he had his worst trade where he lost $565. In terms of pips, we can see same dates, so it was, I believe, the same trades. On October the 14th, he lost 149 pips. He gained, and on the 15th of October, he lost 170 pips. Let's have a look at the summary to see if he focused on some pairs more than others, and we can see here 74 position opened on the pound New Zealand. He gained 448 pips, resulting in $810. Very good. We also can see how the 12th position he opened on Euro Pound were particularly profitable for him. In fact, he gained 108 pips, resulting in $744. Very good. We can also see good results on his 14 trades on the Euro Yen, and as well as the 17 trades on the pound yen. So there were good winning overall. And let's also have a look at the negative side. We can see here 18 positions on the euro dollar. Unfortunately, he lost 149 pips, resulting in a loss of $509. And yeah, we can see some losses also here on the pound dollar and on the dollar yen. Now, okay, let's go back, and we can see from the history. Let's go back to the first page when he joined. It was, yes, on the 7th of October. So he straight away went full lot size available for him in his account. He was trading an 0.5, but we can also see some position at 0.25, 0.15, but the majority of his trade were made at 0.5, so one position at a time for him. And yeah, again, we can see some position 0.2, 0.25. Okay, maybe by the end it was just splitting his positions, and I think it was here, yes, On the 1st of December, we can see he hit his first 10% target and is now keeping trading at the moment with this with his second account, with the $30,000 account. Okay, let's have a look at the duration of his trade. We can see an average trade length of 3 hours and 26 minutes. If we have a look at the scatter plot, we can see how, yes, the majority of his positions were held for less than 12 hours, a few more held for longer, roughly 1 day, and only one position was held longer, 1 day and 21 hours, so almost 2 days, and it was a positive position. He gained 3.28%. So very good, very well done, Fragoso, and we look forward to do the second review for your account.